Hello unique people. Today we are going to unbox Insta360 Go 2. It's a tiny action camera. It's so cool. And it looks so small. Let's see what's inside the box. Wow. And see, we are greeted with the beautiful small but mighty action camera, which is magnetically connected. Let's put it aside. We have some mounts. This is a ball head mount, and it is magnetic. You can use it in many ways. Let's put it aside. This is a charging case. Wow. Those are some charging pins. Magnets everywhere. This is so tiny. It's almost as airport cover. And look at that. We have some clips. Small clips. Wow. Use as a tripod. Nice. Hmm. A clipper. Clip mount. Which is also magnetic. And last but not least, charging cable. Type C to Type A. Guys, we have a magnetic mount. This is a little pendant you can wear around your neck. It works over your t-shirt as well. T-shirt, shirt, for the best POV shots you can get. It has so many features, guys. It's hands-free. You can magnetically mount anywhere. 1440p resolution, waterproof, auto editing, hyperlapse, slow motion. You can use this case as a remote control. You have a Wi-Fi preview option. How many things you can do with it? You can use it as a walking setup like this. It is charging, guys. Look, the orange means it is charging. You can use it as a small logging setup. This is amazing, right? With test clips open up, you can be shot of little time lapse, wonderful still shot. That's nice. You have a Type C charging in a ball head to use on a tripod. This is a microphone. You see, the camera itself is waterproof, but not the charging case. Nice, huh? Now I'm gonna roll the test footage. You guys enjoy.